All right, y'all, peace. So these was the two cards that populated for you guys during the shuffle, and I just want to give you a meaning of what they are. So we have psilocybin and ayahuasca. I think that's how you say it. So that's rebirth and commune. So number 49 and number 50. All right, so we're going to just start with 49, which is commune. All right. Upright, communing with the sacred, connecting to otherworldly energy, remote viewing, regeneration, through union, coming together with a tribe, finding cosmic family. It is the ruler of Pluto and the sun. So I'm not going to read all of it, but I'm going to just read the guidance. So I'm going to put this right here, and you can pause the video if you want to read it. So the guidance says, Los Niños Santos have come to tell you that you have arrived to your place of power. They are beacons of light on earth and offer psychic healing on a collective level. Los Niños Santos are taking you to tune in and commune with the ancestors and powers that be to further develop your powers. Silobin floods our bodies with light codes, loosening the knots we volunteer to protect through the journey of life. Don't resist the profound teachings. Relax into the higher mind as you commune with its loving awareness, as you find home within, commune with others and experiences that support you, connect to nature and the extensive community of energies that are lovely there awaiting your conscious arrival. Commune with the spirits and channel the wisdoms provided with sure-footed spontaneity. All right, so that was the message for that one. So then the next one, I'm sorry, y'all, I cannot pronounce this. It's ayahuasca. That's what it looked like. Upright, rebirth, mastery, great revelations, discovery, higher self, meeting the creatrix, divine messenger, gift from spirits, realization, telepathy, transcendence. So the ruler is Pluto, Jupiter, and Neptune. And I'm going to put this here for you to read. I'll pause it and read it if you choose. Okay, so the guidance. You are mastering the power of awareness when aligning to a higher power. This plant spirit is here to support your ascension, drawing upon an ancient wisdom embedded in your DNA and in the earth. Allow yourself to be shattered as you travel through the cosmic womb. Ayahuasca catalyzes purification through the cataract release of the known, only to reveal undiscovered terrents within your soul. You are one with the magnetic brilliance of Source. The intelligence that orchestra the great mystery. Feeling lost and the labyrinth only comes when a loss of intentionality or respect happens. Offer your greatest attention, sacrifice your needs, enter into the void without expectation, and allow yourself to be consumed by the oceanic consciousness. Remember, dear one, that to heal the world, you must heal yourself. You are the source of love. All right, so that was both beautiful. So let's just look at the print of these cards, because you know I also am an intuitive reader. And we got the community and we got the rebirth. So in this card, you see it's a lot going on, a lot of instruments being played and people are dancing. It's a lot of different spirits. You got the earth spirits, you got the fairies, you got people, you got the animals. So what I'm getting for this, my interpretation is that you have a lot of spirits that is currently around you. A lot of spiritual guides, a lot of spirits that's currently around you. One sec. And it looks like they are trying to come together or bring you together with them, or at least get your attention to notice them, to acknowledge them, to appreciate them. It looks like you have a community that is really with you and that is happy to be in your presence, that's guiding you. And the only thing you have to do is just give them some acknowledgement. So it might be a great time for you to create an altar, or even go out into nature, like go to a lake or ocean, and just truly give thanks to the creator and thanks to the different spirits that might be guiding your way. With this rebirth energy as well, you have a lot of different energies around. So that gives me double confirmation that you have a lot of different spirits and different spiritual realms that's currently with you. And with the snake being around, like the tree mother, I'm not looking at that as a negative omen. I'm looking at the snake as more so the kundalini energy. So you have a lot of energy within you to become something new, to embrace your sexual spirit. You have something to reawaken what it is that you are. It looks like you might be going through some type of transformation as well, like the snake shedding your old skin, with the DNA being wrapped up, going up as well, and the spirit blown on there. So maybe you had a transformation from an old life into a new life, or spirit is saying that that's something that might be coming your way, a new transformation when it comes to a new version of yourself. Maybe you are letting the old version of yourself shed away like a snake skin, and spirit is creating a new version of yourself. You could also be a healer as well, but they're saying that you still may need to take the time to heal yourself before you could heal others, but you are on the right track. So these two together is just letting me know that a rebirth is coming through. You might start to meet your spiritual family, your tribe. More people like-minded is going to come into your world, so be open for the blessings that's due to you. All right, y'all, that's my interpretation. So peace, love, and light. Make sure you follow, like, and share. Peace.